How did you, I mean, we talked about it was spun out of a university.
Right.
At what point, what other data that supports that this could target other indications, right? And then, and part and parcel of that is what's the patent protection look like?
Right. So when we licensed this, we actually started the company 10 years ago in 2015. And this was a molecule that was very much in very early stage. So it was in being evaluated in Petri dishes and in mouse models, if you will, right? And so we advanced it very quickly. The first thing I did with some seed capital was have a kilo of this synthesized and then sent to labs all over the world, looking at the same histologies or different histologies to see where this would
what diseases it might work with, right?
Yeah. And so this target is known across a number of diseases where chemo becomes refractory. The other thing that's been shown since we've been in the clinic is that when we treat patients, there is not only a downregulation in tumor processes, those growth pathways, but an upregulation in the immune response from the patient towards the tumor itself. So you're downregulating the tumor and you're increasing immune response to take on the cancer itself.
The patient's own body is saying, hey, is responding the way it was designed to, right? So the T cells that are supposed to target the cancer start becoming much more active.
Right. We show that we increase the number of T cells in the blood, that those T cells now become focused in terms of the receptors they're looking for. And at ASCO, the presenter showed data that in the patients that have the combination actually had T cells in the tumors themselves.
So they're getting into the environment.
They're penetrating into the environment.
So we used the military analogy before. So it's not just precision guided missiles. It's actually recruiting troops on the ground to go in and fight the cancer inside your body.
Yeah, which is very novel for a single compound. So we know that this target is active across a number of different cancers. It's also very active in CNS disease.
Okay.
And so the opportunity set here is extremely large. This is a very benign and precision drug. The safety profile is exceptional. And from a patent perspective, we do have a long runway. During development, we were able to identify 2 and only 2 unique crystalline forms of the drug. And we submitted both of those to the US, EU, and all the major markets. And those patents have been issued as unique compositions of matter.
Okay.
Now that's the really, really strong
foundational patent. Yeah.
And so those give us exclusivity out until 2043.
Okay. So you got plenty of patent protection, a great safety profile, a well-defined mechanism of action that this works in possibly multiple indications.